What's up, fellas? We got another trade recap today. Got break even today. We'll go over that real quick. My thought process, everything. Um, so yeah, coming into market open, obviously at all-time highs. We don't want to trade lower. So what were my draws? This all-time high and these highs as well, just because sometimes I know we like to edge all-time highs and just dilly-dally around. But we can clearly see looking at the 1 hour, making higher highs, higher lows, and just continuing to go higher. So once we put in this retrace last night, I was like, all right, bet we're probably going to go higher the next morning, take out all-time highs if our draw liquidity is correct. We have nothing really standing in our way, a little 1 hour gap, but nothing too crazy that could stop us from going to all-time highs. So coming into market open, I said, all right, 15 minutes looking pretty solid. We're making some higher highs, some higher lows. Retracing again, what do I just need to see is a continuation long up to all-time highs. And my main targets were, like I said, these two highs. I wanted to target this high, but RR wasn't as good, or we would have smacked TP today. But first candle went lower, rejected back up. Second candle just had a crazy pump to the upside. So I was like, all right, I'm pretty confident in the setup. Let's take this trade. Took this stop loss. It was based off the 1 minute stop loss we took right on this candle's low right here. I realistically could have put it like right here. I was pretty confident in like price not going lower here, but we didn't. So we put it at that low and we got break even, hit the internal high right here, and we went break even. So my honest plan was to hit this high and then go for a winning day, which would have been like here-ish. So we would have gotten stopped out for a winning day. But I was in the shower, and it was also a lot closer to this high than I would have liked to. So like maybe if this high was like up here, once we hit that high up here, I'd go for a winning day right here and just set a limit. But we didn't, so that's all right. Hold up, we better get a setup. Nah, we don't take nothing else. But we took this closure right here, stop loss down here, TP up to this high, and we got break even on it. Unfortunately, it was a great setup. This is an A+ setup for me. We had a great draw above all-time highs. We're clearly moving on like the 15 minute and the hourly. We're making higher highs, higher lows, and just continuing to go up. 15 minute, same thing. So all I needed to see was us come down, retrace, which we did pre-market. These wicks sketched me out a little bit just because like don't want to see the wicks. It's not really showing anything down here. It's just showing we're rejecting this area. So once we got this rejection candle out of whatever this was down here, maybe we just had some orders being filled. Nothing like hourly gap. We had a big 15-minute gap we're holding. But once we got the rejection out of there, I took my entry targeting all-time highs. Break even at the internal, just an unfortunate break even. Price didn't want to continue higher. This was a clean setup though. Got edged a tad. Nothing like too crazy. We were up about 1R in profit. So not too mad about that. Price probably going to give us a little A+ setup right here that we're not going to take. But like, in my opinion, retrace, if we get something like this will probably play out. Little 1-to-1 probably work. But we're not going to take that. My bad, no video tomorrow. 5 minute, or yesterday, 5 minute is just chopping around. We can see we took out that high and just went back into the range. So I don't really expect anything to play out now. If it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Account sitting at 1,300. So my main goal is to risk about 300 to 400 and secure at least a 1-to-1, which will put me at minimum 400, which would be 1,700 profit. And then I just go for a little winning day, like $200 risk. And hopefully we secure that and take like a nice 1K payout, which would be pretty solid, you know. I definitely sold this account a little bit with Monday this week. Should not have lost $800. Did not try to do that. Did not want to do that. Should not have done that. Took two dumb setups, but you live and you learn. So just going to continue trading. Yeah, not much going on today. Any short setups would be like this after we swept out this high, aiming for this LRL and going for this low. But I'm really seeing it play out. Probably would have gotten break even if we edged this low. You should have gone break even. But yeah, nothing crazy, nothing crazy for a video today. Just a little something light, little trade recap. Hopefully y'all enjoyed and got some learning done. I'll catch y'all later though.